everyone, welcome to Easy English Cafe. Today's common phrase of the day is as right as rain. So the phrase as right as rain means everything is completely fine, in good condition, or back to normal. Right means correct, good, or normal. Rain, in this case, is used to symbolize something natural and refreshing. The phrase suggests health, well-being, or a situation being in perfect order. So it is often used to describe someone who is feeling better after being sick or to say that a situation is perfectly okay. So here are some example sentences for you guys. I was sick last week, but now I am as right as rain. Don't worry about the car. After a quick repair, it'll be as right as rain. After a good night's sleep, she felt as right as rain and ready for the day. So try it out, guys. Use this phrase when things are going well, when you feel perfectly happy and everything is great and wonderful. You are as right as rain. Please like and subscribe and join us on our channel. Thank you so much. And you can leave a comment in the comment section and let us know what you want to see in the future. Have a good day, guys. Bye for now.